This is how to make an awesome cheesy sausage pasta dinner.
This summer, I'm teaching my kids how to cook, and my 8-year-old made this dinner for us. So what did you do first?
First, I put some oil in a pan.
And then what?
And then I chopped up some onions.
So since you're kind of young, I chopped slices off, and then you just chopped those slices into smaller pieces, right?
Yes.
So what was next?
Then I put the onions in the oil. You need to make sure that the oil is hot.
And what does that do?
It cooks the onions.
Okay.
So you stir around the onions so that they're separated and they cook faster. And then you chop up some Polish sausage into thin pieces. Then you put in the sausage and stir it around. Then you put in 2 cloves of garlic.
It was kind of hard to do, right?
Yes.
I had to help you a little.
Yes. Then you open 1 can of fire-roasted tomatoes. And then you put it in the pan and stir it around. Then you put in 2 cups of water. Then you put in 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon powder. Then you put in 1/2 cup of milk.
Give it a stir.
Yeah.
Then what?
Then you put in 1/2 a box of noodles.
Which is about 1/2 pound.
Yeah, I guess. Once it starts boiling, you put on the lid and turn down the heat to low for it to simmer.
How long does it simmer?
10 to 12 minutes.
Yeah.
Then we had French bread with our cheesy sausage dinner, and this is how you make it. You cut up pieces of
French bread. Was that kind of hard?
Yeah. Then you unwrap 1/2 stick of butter and you put it in a bowl and cover it with plastic wrap.
Why does it need to be covered?
So then it doesn't explode.
In the microwave, right?
Yep.
Okay, so how long do you melt it?
30 seconds. After it's done, you put in a couple shakes of garlic salt and a pinch or two of parsley.
Okay, and then you stir it up?
Yeah.
What do you do after that?
Then you put it on the French bread. Make sure that there's enough so you can taste it, I guess.
Yeah, you want it to be yummy and buttery, right?
Sure. Then after you finish buttering them all, you put them in the oven for a little bit until they are lightly brown. When the noodles are done cooking, you put in 1 cup of cheddar cheese and stir it around until it is melted. And that's how to make cheesy sausage pasta dinner.
You're a pretty good cook, aren't you?
Sure. Thanks for watching.